Volume and capacity. We've just been studying volume. Volume measures the amount of space inside a container or object, or the amount of space that an object takes up. And we measure it in units cubed. Capacity is very closely related to volume. It measures the amount of liquid that would fit in a container, or gas technically. So you can see that a container with a large volume that takes up a large space would hold a large amount of liquid, so it would have a large capacity. And we measure capacity in litres and all the other measurement of litres, so like millilitres and things like that. So volume is measured in units cubed, and it's really useful. 1 centimetre cubed, if I had a container that was a cube of 1 centimetre lengths, so quite small, that would hold 1 millilitre. One thousandth of a litre. So you think about it when you talk about a 250 ml drink, that's 250 millilitres. It would take a container of 250 centimetres cubed to hold that. So this one-to-one relationship is really useful. Now there's 1,000 mils in a litre. So 1,000 cubic centimetres must hold 1,000 millilitres, and that's the same as 1 litre. And 1 metre cubed, a metre by a metre by a metre, a cube with all its sides of 1 metre long, pretty big actually, would hold 1,000 litres. So these are our conversion factors. Sometimes we'll just want to convert, I'll say I've got 1,500 millilitres, what's that in litres? So sometimes we just want to convert within capacity, and sometimes I want to know how do we go from volume to capacity. So here's one where we're going from volume to capacity, convert 5 centimetres cubed to millilitres. Now you don't really need to do a full conversion here because it's always the same for centimetres cubed and millilitres. So 5 centimetres cubed is 5 mils. Convert 850 millilitres to litres. This is where you've got to do your conversion factor. There's 1,000 millilitres per litre. Shall I put this down here in case you need it? 1,000 millilitres in 1 litre. So you write your conversion factor. You write the value that they gave you underneath the correct unit. It's millilitres. I need to go from here to here to fill in this gap. 1,000 down to 1, I'll be dividing by 1,000. I'll need to divide this by 1,000. I know it's 1,000 because there's 1,000 there. And that's 1.85 litres. Pop in the in. So our conversion is really useful there. Another question. The volume of a pond is 3.4 metres cubed. How many litres of water does it hold? This is still converting. I need metres cubed to litres. We write our conversion factor. 1 metre cubed equals 1,000 litres. We write the number they gave us under the correct unit, was here, 3.4 metres cubed. To go from here over to that side where I need to find something, to go from 1 to 1,000 was times by 1,000. So I need to do times by 1,000 here. 3,400 litres, and you would check with your calculator if you needed to be sure you got the right number of zeros. So a reminder about converting and how we use capacity.